We could be building the engine, but it's the little things that matter when you're building junk.
This is gonna make it go 20 miles faster.
We'll see. Look, the whole frame is rebuilt. Hey, but this is all rebuilt. We just lost the receipts. Dang it. But from all the way over here, like about this far, that looks good. We're using a 240 grit flex hone, and for lubricant we're going to use diesel that we got in an approved container. One, two, three. And gotta chase every single bolt hole in the block. So I've already done these ones here for the timing cover. I've done these two for the water pump, and then these two for the cam retainer. So right now I'm doing all these bottom ones here on this flat surface, which is oil pan. I got this set here from Summit. You got this head ready?
Yeah, but it needs to be sprayed again because it was really dirty. It didn't come out clean yet, you know?
Yeah, we'll put the dowels back in.
Clean the dowels a little bit too.
And do the head bolts. Alright, all the cam bearings are punched out and the hose have been cleaned with brake clean. So it's time to put the new ones in there. New cam bearings are in. I'm gonna put the camshaft in, then the crank, and then the pistons. The can we're going with is a Melling. Duration at 50, 214, 224, and the valve lift intake 512, 538. So can't wait to have this in there and drive it around. I want to know what that's gonna feel like when you compare that to the one that came out of here. Here it is. Does it feel super tight?
No.
Okay.
70 pounds and 105, really that much different?
I don't know, dude, but to me it looks like you're turning it a lot. Did you set it properly? Yeah, 105. Do this bolt.
The heck?
Back top bolt off.
Not with this one, huh?
Well, we were torquing down these main caps. Yep. Great. That's just great. On a Friday. Yeah, check it out. Get the next size up. Wow. The drill bit broke in the hole. Great. This just keeps getting better and better. Oh, that was a close call. Alright, now we can continue. That was a close one. We're gonna unwrap this and change all the hardware out. We bought a all grade 8 and then continue. Alright, we saved it. We got new bolts here. We're gonna torque them down and then start slamming pistons in it. Damn, that was a close call, huh?
Gold bolts everywhere now, huh?
Or at least here. Alright, ready for pistons. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up for tonight. We got the cam and the crank timing set and all the pistons in. Today was just one of those days where you just find yourself wondering, where did all the time go? Because it was 5 o'clock when we broke that bolt and had to go to the hardware store to find the bolts. Then we came back and did the extraction process, and then just, I don't know. But this is where we're at. We're gonna call it, wrap this up in foam, in plastic wrap. In the morning I'm gonna try to hit that car show in San Bernardino and then drive back over here with the firewalls painted, hoods painted, frames painted. Tomorrow just slap the heads on, valve train, intake, and hopefully we can get it running. It's gonna take a little while to clean up all the tools, and then that's it. If you're still following this build, thank you. And if you're still watching, thank you as well. See you guys next time.